Hello, my name is Marco, and this is my Great Depression mixtape. So first on the list, we have the Gold Digger song, or also known as "Wherein the Money." So the Gold Digger song was a song that was made in 1933 and was sung by Bing Crosby, and the lyrics were made by Aaron Warren. The tone in this song is a cheerful tone because the lyrics and the tone of the voice of the singers express like a feeling that they are happy. And I feel like the message in like the song is that they are happy now that they kind of like have money now and they made it through the hard time that they were going through. And this song shows the economic problem that they were going through at the time and how they were making it through that time. And because they were expressing how they made it through like kind of struggling during their time. And also, like the supporting graphics that express the tone and feeling would be this video um, that shows like them singing and kind of like expressing how they feel. Next on the list is Life is Just a Bowl of Cherries. This song was made in 1931 and sung at the Garden Pier by Ray Henderson, and the lyrics are by Lou Brown. The tone that the song has is like an uplifting tone because the lyrics and also the rhythm that the song has. I feel like the message that the song is trying to give to people is to like not stress out on life and like not take it too seriously all the time and also be happy, um, even though my like your life is not the best. This song also shows the emotional issue going on because um, it is trying to get people through like a hard time because a lot of people were struggling, and there is no graphics made to support the song the tone that it has, but this is um, like her singing the song. Next on the list is Hallelujah. I don't know how to pronounce it on the phone. And this song was made in 1931 and was sung by John Husband, and the lyrics are made by Harry. The tone that the song has is more on like a sad side because the lyrics and the tone of the sound was sad, and I feel like the message that he was trying to give was for people that relate to him to see that they are not alone and for people to hear his story. The song shows the economic problem that they were having back then and how people were struggling for like food and money. And there was also not any supporting graphics to back up this song. Next song on the list is 10 Cents a Dance. 10 Cents a Dance is a song made in 1930 that was sung by Ruth Etting, and the lyrics were made by Richard Rogers. The tone for this song is like sad because of the lyrics and the meaning behind it. The message behind this song is her showing how tired she is about what she is going through and how bad it is going for like everything else, like everybody around her. The song expresses the economic problem going on at the time because she talks about the low pay and how bad her job is. And there's also a video of her singing that backs up the tone of the song. Um, that's the video. And next on the list is All I Got Is Gone, and this song was made in 1934 and was sung by Ernest Stoneman, and the lyrics are made by Eddie Stoneman. The tone of the song is also sad because of the lyrics that the song has and the meaning. The message in the song would be that everybody is losing everything and that they are going through like a rough time. This song also shows the economic issues going on during that time and how everybody was struggling for money. There is also no supporting graphics that can show and explain the tone behind this song, but this is the song right here. Next is Breadline Blues. This song was made in 1931 and it was sung by Slim Smith, and the lyrics were also made by Slim Smith. The tone of the song is like upset or angry because of the lyrics and the meaning behind it. The message of the song is him kind of protesting against the government for doing a bad job and what they should be doing instead. This shows the economic and political issue during the time because everybody was struggling and the government was not really doing anything about it, or like as he was explaining at the song his song, and there are no supporting graphics that show the tone or of the song or the feelings of the song. And the song is right here. And Dusty Old Dust, or also named So Long Has Been Good to Know You, and it is sung by Woody Guthrie. It was made in 1935, and also the lyrics were made by Woody Guthrie as well. The tone of the song is a humorous tone because of the way that it is sung, and the lyrics. The message of the song is him telling us how bad life is going on over there, but he's trying to remain happy about it. So it's kind of like trying to find the good side. And this song conveys the social issue during the time because he was kind of talking about how everybody around him was acting. Um, and there is a video showing like what the song like expresses and his feelings. And that was it. So thank you.